Yo guys, ukuzala sana. So this week has not been good to me. Yesterday my baby was sick. I had to take her to the clinic because she was crying a lot. She had a running stomach and it was paining because she was crying a lot. So I had to rush her to the clinic. They gave her antibiotic and glucose. Yeah, but it helped because yesterday I managed to sleep, and even though she was crying, but then at night it was better because she had the medication and she slept. So it was very bad shame because like she's so young to go through this pain, and the more ekhishwa isisu uba ne rash on her palms. So now that hurts also. So yeah guys, kubuhlungu nje ukugulelwa ingane. I won't lie, like you feel like nje it's the end of the world. Kubuhlungu, I won't lie. So yeah, but alright manje, and she's looking at me. Hello mama. Yeah, sinjani sis? Siphelile manje. So now I'm gonna bath her because she was sleeping. And one thing about Nkani, when she's sleeping, make sure you bath, you do everything you have to do, because wow, ungahlala njani ungaluzi spark mona ingane, because like nje ayikho into okwazi ukuyenza, ayikho. And mongenanini kuyabheda, like it's just you and the baby. It's bad. So now she was sleeping. I managed to bath. So now I have to bath her. I haven't cleaned the house. It's upside down. She went to church. So I don't know. But yeah guys. Imaphela ntombazane. Hayi yibona. Uhlupho emphakathini. Yazi uhlupho. Sisahamba siya mall in Gateway because we want to buy a few stuff sasendlini. But I wanted to show you guys my outfits. Phela kade ngagcina nje ukuthi ngiyithande. I think ngiyithandile ukuthi nje phela iduke and ikhanda lami alikho-right and yeah. Okay, ethi ngikhombisa i-outfit yami ingikhumbuza ngisasebenza. Yabona. This is how I used to wear on cold rainy days. Yabona nje ngangiba ugirl, ngangiba i-corporate girl. Yabona ngithi coats, leggings, top. Hey, don't mind to buy the bra because phela yabona ngasikho that serious and formal. So this is my outfit. I bought my turkeys at Refinery and any coats my sister bought it for me get birthday yami. I'm not sure where she bought it, but I think it's home. So yeah, girls. And
I wasn't.
okay.
I want you coming Monday.
Khanya? Kavela ngayibona nje ikhombo la le yabe ngiyibona. Driver ikhombo le.